Hello everyone and welcome to today's video lecture on charismatic leadership. Charismatic leaders are like really powerful motivators. They are the ones who can talk to a crowd and make everyone believe in their ideas. They are great communicators, persuasive and charming, which help them win people over. This is especially useful during tough times when people might be feeling lost or discouraged. A charismatic leader can rally the team and get them moving forward again. Let's discuss the 6 characteristics of charismatic leadership. Number 1 is a strong communicator. They can clearly and persuasively express their ideas, inspiring and motivating others. They can tailor their communication style to different audiences. Number 2 is empathetic and relatable. They understand and share the feelings of others, making them approachable and trustworthy. They can connect with people from all walks of life. Number 3 is confident. They believe in themselves and their vision, which inspire confidence in others. They project a sense of assuredness and certainty. Number 4 is motivational. They can ignite a fire in others, getting them excited about a goal or cause. They can inspire people to go above and beyond. Number 5 is engaging and charming. They have a magnetic personality that draws people and makes them want to follow. They can create a positive and captivating atmosphere. Lastly is optimistic. They have a positive outlook and believe in possibility of success. They can inspire hope and perseverance in others even during challenges time. Based on my understanding about this characteristic of charismatic leadership, this characteristic works together to create a powerful leadership style. Charismatic leaders can capture people's imaginations, build trust, and rally them towards a common goal. It's important to note that charisma alone doesn't make a great leader. However, when combined with other important qualities like competence and integrity, it can be a powerful tool for positive change. What are the pros and cons of charismatic leadership? Pros. Number 1 is highly inspirational and motivating. 2. Encourages a sense of camaraderie, collaboration, and union. 3. Make followers feel heard and understood. 4. Creates movement towards positive change. Cons. Number 1. Can become more focused on themselves than their people. 2. Has the potential to become self-serving. 3. Frequently viewed as shallow or disingenuous. 4. How to apply charismatic leadership. 5. One of the potential pitfalls of charismatic leadership is its tendency to focus too much on the leader instead of the people. Practice vulnerability. A common negative association with charismatic leaders is that they're not authentic. To combat this, we recommend practicing vulnerability. Practicing vulnerability isn't about showing weakness, it's about demonstrating the courage to be real. It allows followers to see the leader's humanity and creates a more authentic connection. This strengthens the leader's influence and inspires greater trust within the team. By practicing vulnerability, it allows charismatic leaders to connect with their followers on a deeper, more human level, fostering trust, strengthening bonds, and ultimately making them more effective. Develop your listening skills. Imagine that you had a thoughtful conversation with someone at your company. During this interaction, you shared personal details with the other person and felt more bonded to them as a result. But the next time you run into them, they don't seem to remember anything you talk about. This is a surefire way to make someone feel terrible and overlooked. Let me share my understanding of the importance of developing active listening skills as a charismatic leader. Number 1, charismatic leaders have a lot of conversations. They interact with many people daily. This can make it tempting to become less attentive or simply go through the motion of listening. Number 2, active listening builds stronger connections. It's not just about hearing the words, but truly understanding the speaker's emotion and key points. This builds trust and it strengthens bonds. Number 3, forgetting a personal conversation weakens the connections. As the example shows, if someone forgets something shared, it feels like they were not listening or don't care. This can damage trust and bond you built. Number 4, develop your listening skill. Charismatic leaders, despite their busy schedules, should actively work on improving their listening skills. This can be done through training or coaching. For the next reporter, Jasmine Ancheta will continue this topic.
To continue, the last step is be transparent. In the process, it's easy to say things that aren't entirely true for the sake of making someone feel good. Instead, always prioritize being honest, sincere, and straightforward in your communication. Meaning, wag mo nang sugarcoat if meron pang mali. But on the other hand, don't forget the idea of charismatic leadership, which is ipaalala mo na yun ay constructive criticism lang to improve more. Over time, your employees will learn to trust what you say and increasingly look to you for information and feedback. Now let's proceed to the second slide, which is the good, the bad, and best practices of charismatic leadership. On the good side, charismatic leaders are individuals who use their personality and communication style to gain the admiration of followers. Typically, they can communicate effectively with others, forge strong interpersonal connections quickly, meaning they have the ability to form deep and meaningful relationships with others by showing empathy or being a good listener. And if there's a good side, there is also a bad side of being a charismatic leader. They are prone to overconfidence, attention-seeking, manipulative behavior, and also exploitation. Example are political leaders and activists, which followers may be taken advantage because they are easily influenced by their words. And sa best practices naman, it says that charismatic leadership theory is similar to transformational leadership. We have discussed it na dati. If matatandaan nyo, transformational leadership means encouraging and inspires individual to innovate and develop new ways to grow and improve, which is same sila ng concept ng charismatic leadership. Next is the concept of charismatic leadership theory. The first one is presence. This active listening approach enables them to empathize and respond effectively to the individual's needs and concerns. Next is creating meaningful connections. This entry ties directly to presence. It's just like showing people that you are in the same ground or that you understand them. Third is the emotional control. Dapat marunong mag-control ng emotions because it can help persuade people, which contribute to building positive relationships and achieving desired outcomes. Managing social situations. In this, they make others feel comfortable in any social situation by adjusting their approach to suit the context and people involved. They create a sense of inclusivity and respect, fostering a positive atmosphere where everyone feels valued. And last, generosity. While all charismatic leaders may not subscribe to this principle, many may employ it depending on the circumstances. For these leaders, generosity goes beyond mere material offerings. Ilan ay ang emotional support, mentorship, and empowerment. They invest time and effort in building relationships with their followers, cultivating an environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best.
Master Communicators.
Sa pagiging isang charismatic leader, kailangan magaling ka magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao at alam mo yung mga sinasabi mo, hindi pa iba-iba yung sinasabi mo kahit pa makipag-usap ka sa iba't ibang tao. Sa way ng pananalita at mga ginagamit mong words ay mas nakakahikayat ka ng mga tao.
Self-awareness.
Ang isang charismatic leader kung saan alam mo o nakikita mo sa sarili mo kung ano-ano pa yung mga bagay na kailangan i-improve, kailangan gawin, kung paano ka magiging isang good role model and maging halimbawa ka sa iyong nasasakupan.
Tenacity and determination.
Ito naman ay sila yung hindi nagpapadala sa problema. Walang puwang ang pagsuko sa kanila dahil para sa kanila may pagsubok man ay hindi sila nagpapatinag upang yung mga subordinate nila is hindi mapanghinaan ng loob, kundi maging inspirasyon sila sa kanilang mga kasamahan na kahit anong problema pa man yan ay kailangan hindi ka magpapadala dito, kundi mas maging matatag ka sa kung ano man ang problema na kinakaharap mo.
Creativity and innovation.
Katangian ng isang charismatic leader na hindi pasakit ang tingin nila sa problema, kundi isang oportunidad na nakafocus sila kung paano nila masolusyon yung mga problema and paano sila mag-step up para mas maging better kung baga tinitignan nila yung mga ikabubuti or pinag-aaralan nila, ginugugol nila yung oras para humanap ng solusyon na imposible sa mata ng mga tao.
Humility.
Ito naman is yung leader na naniniwala sa kakayahan ng mga kasamahan niya, pinapahalagahan niya yung mga suggestions and concern ng mga kasamahan niya. Hindi siya makasarili na gusto niya siya lang yung nasusunod, kundi pinapahalagahan niya ang boses ng bawat isa para sa iisang mithiin. Next, if a leader really wears the characteristics that were discussed, here are the advantage of a charismatic leader. Increase employee loyalty. Mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng tiwala sa pagitan ng empleyado at ng leader, at dahil sa good leadership na i-apply ng isang tao ang mga katangian ng isang charismatic leader. Magiging niya ngayon yung tiwala ng kanyang mga empleyado na ipaparamdam ng leader na hindi sayang ang mga effort at sakripisyo na ginagawa ng mga empleyado. Mas may engganyo sila ngayon na magtrabaho instead na mag-quit sa trabaho. Dito naman sa leader creation, dito naman dahil sa nakikita ng mga empleyado kung paano sila i-handle ng kanilang leader, nagiging example o inspirasyon na naiengganyo sila ngayon na maging isang leader dahil yun yung nakikita nila sa namumuno sa kanila. High productivity. So, sa pagiging isang charismatic leader, once na yung mga katangian na nabanggit, yung master communicator, self-awareness, creativity and innovation, tenacity and determination, at lalo na ang humility, asahan mo ang malaking tiwala ng mga empleyado mo sa iyo, at sa tiwalang yun, mas may encourage silang sundin ka kasi alam nila at kilala ka nila kung paano ka mag-handle ng iyong mga empleyado or iyong nasasakupan. A move toward innovation. So, sa isang organization, once na handle ng isang leader ng maayos ang kanyang mga kasamahan at sila mismo ay nagiging inspiration sa isa't isa para sa isang maayos na trabaho, magbubunga ito ng palaging merong bago. Kasi kung meron ng high productivity sa workplace, kasunod na niyan ang move toward innovation. Dahil inspired ang mga empleyado na pagbutihin ang kanilang mga trabaho, palagi na silang naghahanap ng bago. Kaunlaran sa organisasyong kinabibilangan nila. Establish a learning culture. Dito, tinitake nila ang failure as an opportunity to do better. Example nito, pag ang isang empleyado nagkaroon ng aberya sa kanyang trabaho, tapos yung leader, instead na sigawan ito or pagalitan or sisantihin yung empleyado, tinutulungan niya pa ito na solusyonan yung aberyang nangyari. So, sa pamamagitan nito, hindi nagiging torture sa isang tao yung trabaho niya, kundi isang learning workplace to do better sa lahat ng oras at panahon ng kanyang trabaho.
For the continuation of part 2, I will be going to discuss the part 3, which is the disadvantage of charismatic leadership or the mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is wrong focus. The main difference between charismatic and transformational leadership is the focus on ethics. Charismatic leadership can become more so about the personality and belief system of the individual. Their power to influence others could drive them to become arrogant and shun humility or compassion. Charismatic leaders often rely on their personal charm and visions, which can sometimes overshadow ethical considerations, leading to arrogance or a lack of compassion. In contrast, transformational leaders focus on inspiring and empowering others with empathy and ethical behavior to achieve common goals. The creation of yes men. Because the personality of these leaders can turn admirers into followers, it is easy for their big personalities to create yes men. As a result, the ideas of a charismatic leader could go unchallenged, leading to the implementation of plans that are less than favorable. Charismatic leaders can gather followers who always agree with them, creating yes men. This means their ideas are not questioned, which can lead to bad decisions being made. The company suffers if they leave. To no fault of their own, a good and effective charismatic leader may have been the backbone of the business. Their tenacity, drive, and leadership could have caused many to depend on their ability without developing their own. As a result, their departure could leave a hole that no one has been trained to fill. A strong charismatic leader might have been the key to the company's success, with their determination and leadership skills being crucial. As a result, many people in the company rely heavily on them. When they leave, there's often a gap that's hard to fill because others have not been developed to take on such a role. 4. A lack of clarity. If a leader has delivered more success than failures, then they can start to rest on their charismatic abilities and forget to employ tactics that are also responsible for success. Consulting the team, looking at previous performance data, and remembering the mission and vision of the company. When a great charismatic leader leaves a company, it can be tough because they were like the backbone, driving success. Others may not be ready to step into their shoes, causing a big gap in leaderships. Now let's move on part 4. The charismatic leadership best practices. Charismatic leaders are really good at making people feel heard and valued. They use active listening techniques like asking questions, pausing to think before responding, and concentrating on what the person is saying, without immediately jumping in with their own thoughts. This makes others feel important and understood, which helps build strong connection and loyalty. Charismatic leaders combine their ability to influence others with genuine care and consideration. They show they value their team by prioritizing their needs and encouraging them to be their best. Charismatic leadership often involves engaging and inspiring others through effective communication. Public speaking skills are crucial because they enable leaders to convey their message with confidence and clarity. Additionally, paying attention to nonverbal cues such as body language helps leaders connect with their audience on a deeper level, conveying authenticity and empathy. By owning these skills, leaders can enhance their charisma and influence. Charismatic leaders should not rely too much on their personality. They need to stay humble and open to criticism, and always make decisions based on solid business analysis. Charismatic leaders can attract followers who always agree with them. To prevent this, leaders should encourage honesty and openness by inviting people to share their thoughts and ideas, even if they differ from their own. In this, tribal leaders are able to lead because the people in the tribe trust and believe in them. This trust can come from being born into a leadership position or by earning it through showing care and support for a tribe. When a leader is kind and caring towards the community, it helps build trust, and this trust is what makes the leader able to guide and make decisions for the group.
Thank you for actively listening.